Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to try out a trending Chinese recipe. Here I have 280 gram ayat abalone, braised abalone with mushroom in brown sauce. Open the seal and separate the abalones with the mushroom from the sauce. In it we have 4 pieces of abalone and 4 pieces of mushrooms to work with. It's best to prepare all ingredients before cooking because the cooking process is very fast. Slice broccoli, transfer sliced broccoli into a large bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt. Fill the bowl with water and let the broccoli soak for 20 minutes. The purpose of soaking the broccoli in salted water is to disinfect, kill bacteria, to remove eggs or larvae, if any. I soaked the carrot also in the salted water to save time. It's 20 minutes already. Rinse and repeat the process 2 more times. Prep the carrot. I love this peeling tool. It gets the job done effortlessly and helps me save time. Slice the carrot into 3 large pieces. Afterwards, dissect the sides of the carrot like so. Slice the carrot in rings like so. After slicing, set aside and start cooking. Add a tablespoon of salt to about 400 ml of boiling water. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The purpose of the cooking oil is to make the broccoli more green after steaming and not yellow. Add the broccoli to the boiling water. To avoid the broccoli from turning yellowish, ensure the water is totally boiled before adding the broccoli. Stir to make sure the oil and the salt water coats every piece of the sliced broccoli. Also, stirring will allow the broccoli heat evenly. Cover and let it steam for 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes already. Take the broccoli off the pot, strain and set aside. Look at how beautifully green it's looking. Add the carrot in same salted boiling water and stir. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes already. Turn off the stove, strain and set aside. The carrot is tender and a bit crunchy, just the way I like it. Perfect. Add some cooking oil. Add soy sauce. Add the sauce from the braised abalones and mushrooms and stir. Add about 1 ounce of water to loosen up the sauce so it doesn't dry out while simmering the abalones and the mushrooms. Add some chili pepper flakes. Stir. Add the abalones and the mushrooms. Stir and let it simmer for 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes already. Take out the abalones and the mushroom from the sauce so it doesn't get overly tender. Let the sauce boil and thicken up a bit. Go ahead and begin the dressing process. Arrange the broccoli on the outer corner of the plate. Then the carrots, follow up with the abalones and the mushrooms. See how beautifully colorful and appetizing it's looking. When the sauce is thickened to preference, go ahead and add the sauce to the dressing. Just look at this deliciousness. If you've watched up to this point, it's obvious you're loving this recipe. Like the video and subscribe if you're yet to do so. And let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. And I served it with boiled white rice. This meal was delicious. This was my first attempt of this recipe. How did I do? On the scale of 1 to 10, rate my cooking in the comment section. Enjoy the view! This meal was delicious.